Baby, you finna change not only your mindset, but your life too. Nothing is happening to you, but everything's happening for you. The power of the mind is unfucking deniable, okay? You are the only person who can create and control your thoughts. So you need to drop your current reality and you need to transform them thoughts into something productive, something that will make you feel better, and those in the ones of your dream reality. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Imani, and over here on this channel we talk about all things beauty, money, mindset, and motivation. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and keep watching. So for today's video, I decided I want to come on here and talk to you guys about how you can reprogram your mind and completely change your life into the one that you want to live. The power of the mind is unfucking deniable, okay? In order to reprogram your mind and change your reality, first you gotta change yourself, baby. For example, have you ever noticed, like, on one bad day, when one bad thing happens, everything else seems to fucking fall apart? Yeah, that's not a coincidence. It's because of your thoughts. One bad moment can cause you to recognize everything else that's going wrong, and then all of a sudden, you're having a bad day, you hate everybody, everything's not working out for you. Like, nothing is happening to you, but everything's happening for you. You gotta remember that, okay? In order to reprogram your mind, first you gotta shift your mindset. And you can't do that unless you're willing to do that. You can lead a horse to the water, but you can't make it drink, okay? Or whatever the saying is. One tip that I can give you guys for shifting your mindset is by changing your daily habits. We first make our habits, then our habits make us. One thing I've learned is that our words speak life into certain situations. What I basically mean by this is, you should hold your fucking tongue more often. Y'all don't understand. There is so much power in the tongue. Y'all have no idea how important it is to speak life into yourself and into the environment around you. I promise it can make or break you. Next to this, you should be more open-minded. Be open to learning new things. Oh my God, everybody always want to act like they know everything for no reason at all. Like, it's okay to not know stuff. It's okay to learn stuff. We're all learning. We're all growing. Like, it's okay, I promise. Try new things. Try new foods. Try new restaurants. Try meeting new people. Just try shit. How you gonna change your life if you can't put yourself in the position to change your experiences? Listen to people's opinions, I guess. Not listen to them, but hear them out at least. You never know, you could learn something new. Who knows? I can't lie, I do have a problem with doing this myself, but it's like, some people's opinions, they just are there to piss you off. So don't listen to those. Don't listen to those opinions. Those are stupid. They're dumb. Don't listen to them. I'm not gonna lie. One of the hardest things that I've had to learn over the years is that not every action needs a reaction. For real, I'm learning to only react when necessary. Like, if it comes down to it, of course you're gonna get a reaction out of me, but don't let somebody get you out of your character. Don't let a situation get you out of your character. I mean, realistically, is it gonna bother you in 10 days from now? Then why are you worried about it? Don't be. Because realistically, not everything deserves your time and energy. So, fuck the haters, ignore the shady comments, just move on with your life. Fuck it. Now, getting a little bit more serious, in order to change your life and reprogram your mind, you for real have to be able to trust the universe and God. I know sometimes things may not seem like they're working out for the best or working out for you, but I promise you they are. Life can be rough as fuck, but realistically, if we don't have hope, then what do we have? We have to have hope and faith, because if we don't, life's never gonna turn out the way we want it to. I know this final tip is gonna be one that you bitches gonna hate to hear, because I hated to hear it too. You need to start eating healthier. No. See, me personally, my body is a temple, so you best believe I'm a motherfucking treat it like one. Eating well is a sign of self-respect. So bitch, eat like you love yourself. A big part of emotional intelligence is being able to feel an emotion without having to act on it. So in the end, you have to be able to train your mind to be stronger than your emotions. If you can't do that, I promise you life is only gonna get harder for you. You're never gonna see a change. So with these tips I've given you, you should be able to see a change in your mindset and in your reality. Baby, you finna change not only your mindset, but your life too. Okay guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, I have an ebook. Check it out. Link will be in description, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.